Okay, so now we're going to start with differentiation. That means the last module for N3 mathematics. So differentiation is the topic under differential calculus. So we're going to start with the rules of differentiation. First rule, power rule. It says if f of x is equal to ax to the power n, then the derivative of ax to the power n will be f prime of x is equal to a times n x to the power n minus 1. So this a is going to multiply this n, then x to the power n. In n, what do? We always minus 1. That means to this exponent, we always minus 1. Okay? Then what is a times n? It's a n x to the power n minus 1. Now let us do the example. On this, it says, differentiate f of x is equal to x to the power 4, and f of x is equal to 3x, and f of x is equal to x. Now, how are we going to derive this? F of x is equal to x to the power 4. The f prime of x will be 2 times 4, x to the power 4 minus 1. Then what is 2 times 4 is 8. X to the power, what is 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the final answer coming to B. B, f of x is equal to 3x. Then f of x is equal to 3x can be rewritten as f of x is equal to 3x to the power 1. Because if there is no power here on top of this x, it means there is invisible 1. Then f prime of x will be equal to 3 times 1 x to the power 1 minus 1. Then what is 3 times 1 is 3. Then what is 1 minus 1? It is 0. Okay, so we all know that from the exponent, laws of exponent, any number to the power 0, the answer is equal to 1. Then 3 times 1 is 3. So this is the final answer. Then lastly, f of x is equal to x can be rewritten as f of x is equal to 1x to the power 1. As we all know that there's an invisible 1 in front of x. So this is an invisible 1. Again, the power, there is invisible 1. That is an exponent there. Okay, so the prime of the f prime of x is going to be 1 times 1 x to the power 1 minus 1. Then what is 1 times 1? It's 1. What is 1 minus 1? It is equal to 0. Okay, so again, we all know that x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Then what is 1 times 1? It's 1. Thank you.